Welcome, and let's talk about Shibadoge 2023 outlook. 2022 is coming to an end in the next few weeks. Now, in 2023, of course, we're expecting Shibadoge to gain more exchange listing in Shibadoge, which we all believe, of course, in 2023, Shibadoge might be losing between 1 or 2 zeros, and if possible, even more zeros. The truth is, Shibadoge roadmap stage 3 actually listed Crypto.com, Get.io, L-Bank to list Shibadoge token. Now, these three crypto exchanges can push the price of Shibadoge to massively increase in price. Now, Shibadoge earlier, few months ago, got the interest of Ethereum Wells. Wells invested so much on Shibadoge, almost over $7 million. Shibadoge market cap was actually trading over $16 million until Wells decided to pull out of Shibadoge. But of course, we still believe that 2023 is going to be a better year for crypto industry, including Shibadoge. Now, Shibadoge is expected to hit at least between 3,000% to 10,000% in 2023. That depends on if Shibadoge can gain these three top crypto exchanges listing in Shibadoge. Crypto.com can really push. L-Bank can do that, and also Get.io. And I believe, of course, if the developers can focus on getting not just these three exchanges listing Shibadoge, but more exchanges listing Shibadoge, we are going to expect a massive increase in price on the price of Shibadoge. And also, Shibadoge burning needs to really increase in 2023. I'm expecting Shibadoge to have more community. In fact, Shibadoge definitely in 2023 is going to end up increasing more if the developers can really work towards what they actually plan to do. And I believe that Shibadoge is definitely going to hit over 10,000 to 100,000% in 2023. That's about deleting about 2 to 3 zeros for the end of 2023. And if Shibadoge can achieve that, we are going to experience a massive increase in price on Shibadoge token. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please do your own research before taking any decision.